In this video, we're going to discuss data tracking and how you can use that information to improve the retention in your mobile game. Without data, you don't know how well your game is performing, whether your campaigns are successful, and most importantly, if you're generating a positive return on ad spend, your ROAS. So it's safe to say that data tracking is one of the most important factors when developing and publishing a game. But it isn't just used to track campaigns and revenue, it's also used to track retention and can highlight some key issues within your game and its design. So using platforms, examples might be AppsFlyer, will give you a great understanding of how many players are actually playing your game, but most importantly, how long are they playing for? It can show you data from day 1 all the way to day 90 retention, which many developers will be trying to achieve with their hybrid casual games. You might find that people after day 3 start to drop off and not continue playing, meaning that the core game loop may not be strong and engaging enough to keep them. You could then add additional features or change how your core gameplay loop works and test it to see if the retention of the players has increased as a result. Of course, the longer the players come back and play the game, the more revenue it will generate for you. Data tracking can also help boost in-game retention when it comes to monetization, specifically interstitial ads. While having them in your game will generate income from the users, it's important to add them at the right times and experiment with different placements and conversions. Having them too frequently will, of course, frustrate the player and heavily reduce your chances of a longer retention. So using your data, you can see how interstitial banners and ads impact your players' retention and experiment with placements to activate them to make sure their gameplay experience isn't too badly affected to help you get that positive ROAS.